In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email on a Cursor AI account via the billing portal. If you've been hunting around the general settings to change your email, here's the key. Cursor AI doesn't typically let you change the email from the app's standard profile or settings page. Those areas often tie into your primary Google or platform account for things like your display name but not your email address. Instead, the email associated with your paid account is managed through the billing and subscription portal. That's where the change actually takes effect for invoices, receipts, and account-related notices. Start by switching from the agent view to the dashboard. The agent view is where you spend most of your time working with the AI, while the dashboard is where account and payment controls live. Once you're in the dashboard, look for the section labeled Billing and Invoicing. This is the central place where you manage your subscription details. Open Billing and Invoicing and choose the option to manage your subscription. This will take you to the subscription management portal for your account. From there, find the area to update your billing information. You'll see an option to edit the email address that's tied to your paid plan. Enter the new email you want associated with your subscription and confirm the update. A few helpful notes as you do this. First, think of this as changing the billing contact for your paid account. It's the address that will receive receipts, renewal reminders, and important billing messages. If you sign in using a platform login like Google, what you're changing here is the billing email for the subscription, not the sign-in method itself. That distinction explains why this setting lives in the billing portal rather than in general settings. Make sure the new email is one you actively monitor, especially if you manage a plan or share access with a team, because billing communications are important for renewals and troubleshooting payment issues. If you don't immediately see the billing and invoicing section, double-check that you're still on the dashboard and not back in the agent view. The billing tools won't appear in the workspace area. Once you've updated your billing information with the new email, you're done. Going forward, any invoices or subscription notifications should land in that inbox, and the updated email will be reflected on your paid account. That's the complete process. Remember, don't look for this in general settings. Switch to the dashboard, open billing and invoicing, manage your subscription, and update the billing email there.